Hi, hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, thanks for clicking on this video. And this video is a tutorial about 3 bohemian hairstyles. This is a second part of boho hairstyles. For the first part, I'm gonna link it in the description box below. So without any further delay, let's get into the video. For the first hairstyle, part your hair in the middle and part your front section alike so. Divide the right front section into 2. Part it into 3 sections and start a 3-stranded braid. Braid it till the end and backcomb the end so that it is secured properly. Backcomb it like so that it is secured well, and then braid the another section as well. We are going to repeat the same steps on the other side as well. This is how it looks after we have done. Point near the ear on both the sides and section it like so. Keep away the sections with a clip and divide the remaining hair into 2. Again section out the left part of your hair and braid it the same way that we have done with the front section. Braid the another part of the section also. Repeat the same steps on your right side. This is how it looks after we have done. I'm gonna create 3 hairstyles with this one, so let's do it. Take the first front 2 sections and tie it with an hair tie. Take the second 2 braids and join it with the first braid. Tie it with an hair tie. Repeat the same steps until you have done with the all remaining braids. That's it with the first hairstyle. With the remaining hair, do a 3-stranded braid. Tie it by leaving a small portion of hair. And that's it for the second hairstyle, guys. Coming to the third hairstyle, I'm gonna make a Dutch braid and join the 4 braids in the Dutch braid. For the Dutch braid, take 3 strands and braid it in a reverse manner by joining the tiny braids into the Dutch braid. Pull the braid like so that it looks fuller. Continue to braid by leaving a small portion of hair at the end. And do the same technique as before by pulling the braid. That's it for the third hairstyle. I hope you enjoyed watching this video.